pour aller voir les rois d'Égypte, mais les choses étaient devenues vraiment difficiles pour le peuple d'Israël.
So after meeting the king of Israel, the king made things even more difficult. We share that the king gave order that the people of Israel should not be given the straws anymore. They needed to make the same amount of brick that they used to make before. And things became very, very difficult for the people of Israel.
Après avoir vu les rois, les choses étaient devenues vraiment très, très difficiles pour les enfants d'Israël. Les rois les avaient demandé de faire le même nombre de briques. Et la vie était devenue vraiment difficile pour eux.
Because at the end they realized that because first they thought that the instruction came just from the slave masters, and then at the end they realized that the instructions came even from the king himself.
Avant, ils croyaient que les instructions là venaient seulement des responsables des esclaves. Après, ils ont compris que c'était les lois venues du roi lui-même.
Hallelujah. And they hated Aaron and Moses.
Et ils ont haï Aaron et Moïse.
And now here, Moses now wanted to see God. Moses spoke to God. Moses said to God that, God, why have you brought trouble in your people?
Ici, nous voyons Moïse aller voir Dieu. Il a dit, Dieu, pourquoi tu amènes la souffrance dans ton peuple?
Hallelujah. I did exactly what you told me. I went to see the king, and then now you can see that the people of Israel are suffering even more.
J'avais fait exactement comme tu m'avais demandé. Et maintenant, tu vois toi-même que les peuples d'Israël souffrent encore plus.
And you didn't do even anything. Yeah, you didn't do anything.
Tu n'as rien fait.
Hallelujah. And then God spoke to Moses. God said to Moses that I will use my power. Now wait, Moses, I am going to use my power against the king of Israel.
Et Dieu a dit à Moïse, je vais utiliser ma puissance contre les rois.
I will show them that I am God.
Je vais leur montrer que je suis Dieu.
I will use my power, which will force them to let the people of Israel free.
Je vais utiliser ma puissance pour les forcer de libérer les enfants d'Israël.
God said to Moses that I am the God who appeared to Abraham, to Isaac, and Jacob.
Dieu a dit à Moïse, je suis le Dieu qui apparaît à Abraham, à Jacob et à Isaac.
God said that they didn't know me. They knew me by the name Almighty, but they didn't know me by the name the Lord.
Ils me connaissaient par le nom de Tout-Puissant, mais ils ne me connaissaient pas avec le nom de Seigneur.
Hallelujah. I promised them because they were living in the land of Canaan. They didn't own that land. But I promised them to give them that land.
Ils vivaient à Canaan, mais ils n'étaient pas propriétaires de cette terre. Mais ils avaient promis que je vais leur donner Canaan.
And then now when I saw the suffering of the people of Israel, I remembered about the promise, the agreement I made with them.
Maintenant que je vois les enfants d'Israël en train de souffrir, je me rappelle la promesse que j'avais faite.
And tell the people of Israel that I will set them free. I will stop them living like a slave. I will set them free. I will use my power, and they will know that I am Lord, the Lord, and they will be my people, and they will serve.
Va dire au peuple d'Israël, je vais les libérer de l'esclavagisme. Je vais les libérer, ils seront mon peuple, ils seront plus esclaves, et ils m'appelleront, je serai leur Dieu.
Hallelujah. You know, God speaks to us in different ways. Maybe God spoke to you in the past. I don't know. God spoke to you. Maybe God gave you a promise. Hallelujah. But then you may be told that you will see that promise. But after months, after years, you don't see anything.
Je sais que Dieu nous parle de différentes façons. Dieu t'avait peut-être promis quelque chose. Tu pensais de voir ça le plus tôt possible. Mais il s'est passé beaucoup de temps qu'il n'a pas encore vu l'accomplissement de cette promesse.
You know, when God spoke to Moses, he said to Moses that, Moses, I've chosen you. You are going to set my people free. You are going to save them. But he didn't give him the time scale. He didn't tell him the way he's going to do that. He didn't tell him how long it's going to take. He said that I've chosen you. You are the one who will save my people. And just the proof that I will be with you is that you will serve me on the mountain.
Quand Dieu avait appelé Moïse, il avait dit, je t'ai choisi pour libérer mon peuple, tu vas les servir. Mais il n'avait pas dit à Moïse le temps que ça va le prendre, quand est-ce qu'il va faire ça. Mais il avait dit seulement que tu es choisi pour les aider et je vais t'utiliser dans la montagne.
So maybe Moses thought that it will be quick because the Lord spoke to him, you know, the way God spoke to him. And maybe he thought that he will go there with his brother, they will speak to the king, and then he will set the people free.
Peut-être Moïse pensait que ça allait être vite fait, et comme Dieu lui avait parlé, il va partir avec son frère et le roi va directement libérer le peuple d'Israël.
But it wasn't like that. They went to see the king, and the things became even so complicated.
C'était pas comme ça. Quand ils sont allés voir les rois, les choses sont devenues encore plus difficiles.
So sometimes you can say, but the one who spoke to me, it was God, or it wasn't anyone else, because how come I go there, I did exactly what the Lord told me to do, but look what is happening. Things become even so complicated, and the people have even, they have hated me.
Des fois, tu peux te demander, je suis passé, j'ai fait ce que Dieu m'avait demandé de dire, ce qu'il avait dit de moi, il m'avait demandé de faire, mais les choses, c'est devenu encore trop difficile. Les gens me haïssent maintenant.
Hallelujah. I love Moses because the things became complicated, but he went back to God. He went back to God who sent him. He spoke to God. He said to God, but God, you are the one who sent me. And I did what you told me to do. But look now what is happening. Your people are in more trouble. And you didn't even come to save them.
J'aime Moïse parce que quand il a vu que les choses sont compliquées, il est rentré vers Dieu. Il a dit, Dieu, je suis allé, je fais